Check out this Kia 2020 Sorento 3.3 LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.